5 reasons to use an insurance broker when looking for insurance. When buying insurance, you can choose to buy direct from an insurance company, from a tied agent or a bank that represents one company, or you can choose to purchase your insurance through an insurance broker. Most brokers can save you money on your insurance, not to mention the time you would otherwise spend shopping around yourself, but there are other reasons why using an insurance broker can be of major benefit to you. Here are just some of the advantages of purchasing your insurance through an insurance broker. An insurance broker works for you, not the insurance company. Your insurance broker is not tied to a specific company or a specific company's products. They can search a number of companies and their products to find the best deal for you. A broker can take a thorough look at your personal needs and recommend the best and most suitable product for you based on your situation. Insurance brokers can get you the best deal available from their large portfolio of products and provider, while banks or insurance companies can only offer you the products from one company, and are therefore more limited in the number of products they can offer. Insurance brokers are experienced and professional. Brokers deal with a wide range of products and services and are qualified to recommend the policies that best suit your needs from the wide range of companies that they deal with. They will know, for example, what companies are best suited for younger drivers, for example, or who's best for providing public liability for your industry. They typically have experience with claims and can guide you through the often confusing and stressful claims process, answering any questions that you may have. What's more, most brokerages in Ireland are generally smaller and can often offer a faster and more personalized support. Brokers are also committed to continual professional development and lifelong learning, ensuring that they are informed on the latest changes and adjustments to insurance policies and legislation to give you the best options available when you purchase your next policy. Insurance brokers are regulated. Brokers are required to meet certain standards and financial obligations. In addition to the requirement to hold professional indemnity insurance, they are required to carry out the process with each client to ensure that they are recommending the correct product to suit your needs. A fact find should be used to discover your exact needs and requirements, and on this information the broker should make their informed recommendations. A reasons why letter or statement of suitability should also be presented to the client, outlining why the product and the provider is being recommended and how they meet the client's specific needs. You can get access to insurance companies that you cannot access on your own. In recent years there are more and more insurance companies popping up that only deal directly with brokers. In transacting business in this way they can save costs and do not have the same requirement for large call centers or large administration teams to deal with the public. They can then pass on these savings to you, the consumer. Many of these companies only deal directly through brokers, so you will not be able to get a quote directly. Certainly over the past couple of years we have found ourselves recommending these companies more and more as they are able to consistently deliver on price, product and service. Insurance brokers are required to give full disclosure on commission and fees and the effect on your insurance premium. Of course brokers need to be paid too, and they generally get paid a percentage commission from the insurance companies. In addition to this they may also charge a small fee for their services. As part of the regulation they must provide you with a copy of their terms of business which outlines the companies they deal with, how they are paid and details of any fees they may charge. This allows you to make an informed choice when buying insurance. Choosing an insurance broker means that you have a professional on your side when choosing the best policy for yourself, your business and your family. Insurance brokers offer professional and unbiased advice, ethical conduct, and full disclosure of all the information you need to make an informed decision. They can talk you through each stage while giving you personalized advice and excellent customer service. So next time you are looking for insurance or renewing your current product, why not contact your local broker first and see what a great service they can offer you. If you intend on keeping your car or another van for private use, then most insurers will not give you any no claims bonus, but if you intend on getting rid of your private vehicle, then you should be able to transfer your no claims discount to your new policy. Two choices. A method to get the cheapest courier insurance is to not get this specific kind of insurance. The alternative is light haulier insurance. However, not all insurers offer light haulier insurance, so you might have to shop around in order to find an insurance company which does. Light haulier insurance only covers you for a certain amount of trips each day, and they exclude you from taking work from some courier companies because they demand their couriers to have full courier insurance. Some other exclusions also come into play depending on your policy, so check your policy carefully before committing to anything. Common exclusions include carrying hazardous goods and driving at airports. Goods insurance. Goods insurance is a type of insurance which can form a part of any comprehensive courier insurance package. This protects goods you are carrying against damage, theft, or loss. Most of the time you won't be provided with any type of no claims discount, and it will set you back somewhere within the region of £200 to £300 each year. Nearly all courier companies will refuse to employ you if you don't have goods insurance as a part of your courier insurance package. It should be noted that many insurance companies only cover goods which are being carried while they are in your vehicle and not while they are being transported to and from your vehicle. Make sure you check your policy carefully in order to check what is covered and what isn't covered. Public liability. For an extra charge, you can normally get this cover as part of your goods insurance. Public liability insurance will protect you against any accidents caused by you or your goods while you are at work. However, if the accident is found to be your fault, then you may be stuck with the bill. Employer's liability. Employer's liability insurance used to be a legal requirement, but for most subcontractors this is not necessary, so if an insurance company attempts to sell you this cover, then just say no, because your goal is to get the cheapest courier insurance possible, whereas the insurer is trying to sell you as much cover as possible. Working abroad. Most insurance policies only cover you whilst you are in the UK, and some even exclude the Republic of Ireland, so make sure you arrange extra cover whilst you are travelling abroad. Purchasing insurance. When searching for the cheapest courier insurance possible, you shouldn't be blinded by price alone. Your goal should be to get the cheapest courier insurance you can while still having the cover you need to protect yourself against any eventuality you may encounter whilst at work.